When you search for the best bike trailer for dogs, it feels like everything is the same. Same features, same flashy images. But the real differences are hidden beneath the surface, and understanding what actually works for you and your furry friend is key. Product number 1, MALABI V2 Dog Bike Leash. Let's kick things off with the MALABI V2 0-180 degrees rotating dog bike leash. Priced at $101.07, this leash caught my eye for its innovative rotating design and carbon fiber build. If you're looking for a smooth and safe ride for your dog, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rotating leash allows your dog to move freely alongside your bike without the risk of getting tangled or pulling you off balance. This feature is crucial for those bumpy rides where sudden jerks can happen. Plus, the built-in shock absorbers mean that any sudden movements are cushioned, providing a stable experience for both of you. With over 100 units sold in the past month, it's getting some traction. Now, some people might complain about the price, feeling it's a bit steep for a leash. Here's the thing though, if you value your dog's safety and your own comfort during rides, this investment is totally justified. It's not just a leash, it's a tool for better biking with your pup. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable option that keeps your dog secure while cycling. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, but considering its quality, I think it's a solid buy. Now, if the price of the MALABI leash made you hesitate, the next option might suit you better with a more wallet-friendly approach. Product number 2, iPetba Hands-Free Dog Bike Leash. Next up is the iPetba Hands-Free Bike Attachment, retailing at $54.35. This one grabbed my attention because of its unique high-mounted design, which keeps your dog safe from pedal interference. If you want a hassle-free biking experience with your dog, this is definitely worth considering. This means more comfortable rides for both of you. It fits most bike types and installation is straightforward, so you won't waste time setting it up. Plus, it can handle up to 1,000 pounds of pull, making it quite durable. Considering it's been bought by over 50 people recently, it seems like a popular choice. Now, some users might find that the adjustable length doesn't offer as much freedom as they'd like. But honestly, for those who want a good balance of control and comfort, I think it strikes the right chord. This is perfect for you if you have a small to medium-sized dog and want something easy to install and reliable. Skip this one if you prefer a more flexible leash length for your pup. For its price, it delivers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need multifunctionality. Product number 3, Deckley 4-in-1 Dog Bike Trailer. Now let's talk about the Deckley 4-in-1 Dog Bike Trailer priced at $126.41. What caught my attention is its versatility. It can be a pet trailer, stroller, cargo trailer, or cargo stroller all in one. If you want a multi-use solution for your adventures, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to keep your pet comfortable with its breathable mesh that allows airflow while they ride. The fact that it folds down for storage is another huge plus, especially if you're short on space. With its sturdy build and clever design, it seems like a great option for those who love to be outdoors with their pets. However, some buyers might find it a bit bulky when folded. Here's the thing though, if you're often out and about with your dog, the functionality it offers far outweighs this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you enjoy biking but want the flexibility to switch between carrying your dog and your gear. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-compact, but for its price and versatility, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you need something even more heavy-duty, the next product might be exactly what you're after. Product number 4, VEVOR Dog Bike Trailer, 66 pounds. Next on the list is the VEVOR Dog Bike Trailer, which supports up to 66 pounds and retails for $151.06. This one stands out for its durable construction and ease of use. If you want a reliable and comfortable ride for your small to medium dog, this is worth your consideration. It's designed for easy installation on most bikes and offers a quick connect coupler. Your dog will love the zippered mesh front door that provides excellent ventilation while keeping them safe. With a decent weight rating, it's a solid choice for regular biking. Some customers have noted that it might be a bit heavier than expected. But honestly, the sturdiness of the frame gives you peace of mind that your dog is secure during your rides, which is priceless. This is perfect for you if you want a well-constructed bike carrier that your pet can ride comfortably in. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely lightweight. Given its features, it offers great value in the long run. And now, for those who require something with a bit more capacity, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, VEVOR Dog Bike Trailer 88 pounds. Lastly, we have another VEVOR Dog Bike Trailer, but this one supports up to 88 pounds and is priced at $176.97. It's similar to the previous model but with a higher weight capacity. If you have a larger dog or multiple pets, this one might be perfect for your needs. It has the same Quick Connect option and folds down for easy storage. The added capacity means you can take larger dogs along for the ride while keeping them comfortable with the breathable mesh for ventilation. Some users have mentioned that it can be challenging to maneuver in tight spaces. But here's the thing. If you're using it for biking adventures, the added space is worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you have a larger dog or need more space for your pet. Skip this one if you're only biking with smaller breeds. It's a bit pricier, but given its capacity and durability, it's a solid investment. So there you have it, a great lineup of dog bike trailers that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for convenience, versatility, or durability, there's something here for every pet parent. To wrap it all up, the MALABI leash offers a top-notch secure riding experience, while the iPetBa provides a more budget-friendly hands-free option. The Deckley trailer gives you ultimate versatility, and both VEVOR models deliver solid performance with varying capacities. Depending on your needs, whether it's space, comfort, or price, you've got some fantastic choices for biking with your furry friend.